Hello, this video is to give you some guidance on the activity that we're going to be doing today, which is designed to help you become familiar with all of the different genres that are available to check out in your library. So it's organized as a quiz, but it's not really a quiz or the type of quiz that tests your knowledge. This is the type of quiz that's going to get you to explore different genres. So I'm going to read the instructions to you. Whether you are browsing for books in person at the SLMS library or online via Destiny to Discover, you will find that the fiction books are grouped into 12 genre categories. Genres help you select books based on your interests. Become familiar with each of the 12 genres by following these steps. Number 1, read the sentence about each genre. 2, watch at least one video. 3, choose your multiple choice response that is listed after the 3 videos. So when you click on this, the first one is historical fiction, or in my quiz it is. It's a genre features stories about people or events significant in history of mankind. And then there are 3 books highlighted. Show Me a Sign, The Book of Boy, and Sharon Draper's Stella by Night. And you pick one to watch the video, and you click on the play, you watch the video, and then after you watch that video, you give your opinion. A, I'm eager to read historical fiction books. B, I might try the genre. Or C, no thank you. If you are interested in checking out one of these books, you can. In fact, I would encourage you to have a piece of paper to write down the titles and the authors of the books that you are interested in. If you are an online student, you can actually reserve these books using Destiny to Discover and do the curbside pickup, or if you are here, you can check it out from the library today, or you can do the Uber Reads option where it will be delivered to your homeroom. So you watch one and then you answer it, then you go on to the next one, and the next is horror. It explains a little bit about what horror books are like. It gives you 3 videos. You choose to read one, and then you give your opinion. And it wants you to go through all 12 genres. Sometimes people get stuck in a genre, so even though you might be someone who reads a lot, I want you to do this and consider other genres that you would like to try beyond the ones that you typically read all the time. Have fun. Mrs. Brown and the other librarians have done a really good job of collecting an activity for you to become more familiar with genres.